sir. Okay, so today we are going to the evaluation. I'm going to evaluate, sir, about summary points, vocabulary list, and also homework. So we start from summary points. Can you please explain about English, sir, the first? Like that. Artist create sketches using curves and straight lines.
Yes, artists use sketch using curved lines and straight lines. It means that when artists create a sketch, it's using a curved line and straight line. For example, to draw a human face or facial parts of the face, they use curved lines and straight lines.
Straight lines, okay.
They normally use it.
To know the suspects, criminals.
Yes. Just for drawing, I suppose. But when the police use an artist to sketch, they use it to know the suspect of the criminals.
Okay, so artists focus on proportions and features to create recognizable images. What does it mean, sir?
It means that artists must know in a drawing we use proportion and to create a recognizable image. It means that you use it to make the picture is more recognizable.
Okay. So how about IPAS? We go to IPAS, yes, sir. Can you please explain about kerajaan Samudra Pasai ya? Aceh, Demak, Banten, Ternate, dan Gorontalo itu gimana, sir? Apa perbedaannya itu?
Ya,
Dan pemerintah mereka gitu.
Kerajaan ini adalah kerajaan Islam ya, kerajaan Islam yang ada di Indonesia. Samudra Pasai itu misalnya dia ada di Aceh, dia adalah kerajaan Islam pertama di Nusantara. Kemudian Demak itu kerajaan Islam pertama di Jawa. Kemudian Banten di Jawa juga sama, Ternate dan Tidore. Kemudian di Goa dan Talo. Goa Talo itu di daerah Sumatera Selatan.
Oh, Goa Talo itu di Sumatera Selatan ya. Ini ada lagi kalian pelajari tentang bentuk muka bumi. Can you please explain, sir? Bentuk muka bumi.
Bentuk muka bumi itu dia terdiri dari daratan ya kan, daratan dan lautan ya kan. Daratan itu sendiri terbagi atas 6, yaitu dataran tinggi, dataran rendah, lembah, ngarai dan tanjung.
Satu lagi?
Tanjung dan
Dataran tinggi, dataran rendah, lembah, ngarai, tanjung. Satu lagi? One more?
gunung ya, pegunungan.
Gunung atau pegunungan, sir?
Sama, gunung atau pegunungan.
Bedanya apa ya, sir?
Pegunungan itu kumpulan gunung-gunung. Kalau gunung bentuk singular ya, singular. Kalau pegunungan plural.
Okay, about science, can you please explain about chemical reaction? What is chemical reaction? Yeah, chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction is when a substance is mixed with another substance to create another new substance.
Yeah. For example, like how, sir?
For example, water when add with water when mixed with coffee, for example, right? And it makes a new substance, right?
So we mix a substance to another substance
Yes.
to make new substance. So like coffee just now, what is the new substance that we get?
The coffee solution, I suppose that the coffee, what is that? The coffee mix with water.
So after we mix them, the water with the coffee
is joined together.
with the sugar as well.
Yes.
So we call it as a new substance.
Yes, a coffee.
Okay. So now we move to vocabulary, sir. So can you please explain about sketches? Yeah. Sketches.
Rough image.
Sketches. Drawing tools.
Drawing tools. Using shading and curved lines and straight lines. Sorry? Author.
Yeah.
Author is the creator of the creator of the creator of the book. Creator of the book.
Main character.
Main character is the character is the
Main character.
is the main.
Okay, we move to the application, sir. What is oral hygiene?
Oral hygiene refers to the healthy of mouth and teeth in whole.
Cavities.
Cavities. It's the hole that made the hole in teeth.
The hole
made up of
It wasn't same. The whole that made up by bacteria.
yeah,
Fluoride. What is that? Fluoride.
right is
Okay, move in processor. Can you please explain the differences between this one, dataran rendah, dataran tinggi, pegunungan, lembah, ngarai, semenanjung?
dataran rendah itu dia berada dataran yang berada pada ketinggian 0 sampai 500 dari 500. Dataran tinggi di atas 500 permukaan, di atas 500 meter di atas permukaan laut. Dataran tinggi itu di atas 500 meter permukaan laut.
Lembah, ngarai.
Lembah adalah dataran yang di bawah dari permukaan laut, berada di bawah permukaan laut.
Ngarai.
Ngarai adalah dataran lembah yang dalam ukuran yang sempit atau kecil.
Semenanjung.
Semenanjung adalah tanjung yang sempit ya, tanjung yang sempit, tanjung yang kecil. Sedangkan tanjung itu adalah bagian daratan yang menjorok ke laut.
Okay. But the problem here, this is IPAS, right, sir? Ini IPAS, nah. So why did you make English? The definition.
Saya udah rubah itu ke bahasa Indonesia, Miss. Saya rubah itu. Mungkin saya lupa kali kayaknya. Iya.
Okay, science. Later please check again, sir.
Kenapa?
Later please check again.
Oh iya.
Okay. Now we move to science. Can you please explain about reactions? Yeah. Reactions. What's that?
Chemical reaction or
The reactions. Yeah. What is the reaction?
reaction is reaction.
What is that? Reaction. Ingredients.
is the I think we need to making something.
Substances.
Substance is a matter that we need to make an object.
Not same with the definition here. Okay. Now we move to homework answer. Kerajaan Hindu tertua di Indonesia itu apa sih?
Kerajaan Kutai.
This is for this week, right?
Nice.
This is for this week, right? No. This is 18. No. Wait, versus that. Okay, English first. English. What is a sketch, sir? What is a sketch? What is the meaning of sketch?
Sketch is a drawing of that made with curved lines and straight line.
What is not commonly used for sketching? What material? What material is not commonly used for sketching?
It's not commonly known.
Which material is not commonly used for sketching?
Perhaps your question is not, it's a negative question.
Yeah, which material is not commonly we use for sketching? Because here the question is like that. Which material is not commonly we use for sketching? Because when we want to sketch, right?
Yeah, that's the question for the students, right? Miss? I think that's not appropriate for me to answer that. You know?
Yeah, I just want to know, sir.
If you ask me about the negative question, you should provide me with multiple choice.
I mean, what is according to you, officer? Which one is not commonly we use for sketching? For example, for pencil, of course we use pencil. For others,
Crayon.
We don't need to use crayon for sketching.
Yes.
But here, the crayon is used for sketching.
But for sketching, it's for drawing.
So crayon, we don't need to use.
We normally we sketch with pencil.
Pencil, only pencil.
Yes.
So the answer here, crayon, pencil, yes. The answer, the glue. So it means that
That's why have asked you to provide me with
No.
choice.
Like
Because
this,
it's
sir.
not appropriate, you know.
Yes. No. I mean like this, sir. If you answer just now, crayon is not used for sketching. So why does it include to something that used for sketching? You made here. That's right.
That is because I answer it because
So it means that
I have no
This
reference. I have no reference for you. So if
This one.
you say
So-
like this, right? This is the glue is the glue
Yeah.
is the answer, right?
the glue is
So-
the answer. So I mean, if you say just now,
If you say the reference for me, I will answer it correctly
the
because
problem.
we can also make a sketch for a crayon, for example, right? But that is not exactly correct. We must use a pencil for it.
Yeah, so that's why later the students confused, sir.
No, the student won't confuse this because this is not a drawing tool. This is not a drawing tools. This is a drawing tools.
So why did you answer just now crayon is not used for sketching? So it means that crayon also
Because
can be used for sketching.
normally we sketch we do sketching for a pencil, not because the kids know this because this is the kids tools.
So they will not confuse later.
No, they will not confuse because there are references here to this. So your question is not appropriate for me. But if you ask this question to a kid, that is appropriate. But not for me because my knowledge is different from the kids.
No, I just want to know, sir. Did you make same your answer with this? Just it. I don't want to judge or something because Sari asked me to ask the homework from easy to from simple or easy to difficult.
Yes, this is not a difficult question.
From
This is-
easy to difficult. So I asked the easy first, right? It doesn't mean I want to judge, sir.
No,
I'm here. That's
not
why
judging.
I'm here. Just want to evaluate, want to know that your answer same with this or not. Only that.
You get me confused. What is the drawing tools for not commonly used?
Yeah.
The answer may vary, you know. The answer may vary actually.
Yes, but
So you are asking a very question is that's why.
no, I don't mean that, sir. I just want to make same your answer with this. That's it only. So just now when you want to explain that crayon is not commonly used for sketching, you can explain but sometimes we can use crayon because this one is like that, sir. I don't say that crayon cannot be used for sketching, but because you explained just now was different, so it made me confused. That's why I just want to make sure here. Only that, sir. Okay, we move to IPAS. Okay, sir. For IPAS, dataran tinggi di Indonesia di mana aja, sir tahu? Dataran tinggi apa aja yang saya tahu di Indonesia di mana deh?
Di Sumatera,
Sumatera Utara atau Sumatera Barat?
Sumatera Utara,
Atau Utara? Di mana sih?
Bukit Barisan.
Bukit Barisan. Selain itu? Selain di Sumatera, di Jawa ada yang serta.
Di Jawa ada di Dieng.
Dieng di mana ya?
Di Jawa Tengah.
Jawa Tengah ya? Dieng. Kalau dataran tinggi alas itu di mana sih?
Kenapa?
Dataran tinggi alas itu di mana?
Alas.
Iya.
Dataran tinggi alas.
Tadi saya bilang di Jawa ya? Jawa Tengah ya? Kalau dataran tinggi alas itu di mana? Dekat.
Alas di
Oke, belum tuh science ini ya. Science. Why do you think plastic waste can harm the environment, sir? Why do you think plastic waste can harm the environment?
Because plastic materials is polluted. It contains substance that is polluted.
Polluted, ya?
It means it can harm your. It means it can harm the environment and the body in our body.
So we may not use plastic anymore.
Actually, we can, but in a limited use. For example, just for the bag, for example. But if we for example, if you drink from a plastic bottle, it actually contains a poison for our body that contaminate the water itself.
Oh. Okay. Can you please explain, sir, the difference between cycle change and chemical reaction?
Cycle change.
Yeah.
This is the homework, please.
Yeah. For this week.
Cycle change.
The short answer. Cycle change and chemical reaction.
Cycle change. Cycle change is a state of matter from liquid from solid to liquid to gas, and then gas to liquid and liquid to gas. That is the cycle change. And for the chemical reaction is the reaction between two substances or more to produce another substance.
To make new substance.
To make new substance.
Cycle change. Does it change the substance?
No, just the state of matter. The state of matter from solid to liquid, and then liquid to gas, and then gas to liquid, and liquid to solid again.
Oh. So the substance will not be changed, yeah?
Yeah, but the substance will not be change
To a new substance in here. So the substance still same, sir. Okay, sir, I think that's all for our evaluation for today. But I'm sorry to say that, sir, you need to repeat again for vocabularies and homework, sir. Some of the points you have passed. So I think that's also the case, sir.
Thank you, Miss.